Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and please make sure press the bell icon. So you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, please watch this video to end. And then don't miss any other amazing video designs and decorations. So guys, I am back a beautiful idea about chocolate cake decorating ideas in different styles, different color combinations and different sizes. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching cake decoration ideas that suit both homeland, professionals, parties, baby showers, bridal showers, anniversary, groom shower or any other celebrations. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. I am another by beautiful ideas about birthday cake decorations. How to decorate your cake beautiful way. How to decorate your designs for your cake. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful and most creative designs. Thank you so much to watch my video and designs. If you are interested in these types of videos, then please visit my channel and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And I hope you enjoy my collections with that most essentials and most creative designs. And I hope you love the creativity. I hope you love the designs. Cake decoration ideas can elevate any celebrations. Cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trending. I hope you like this decoration with themed and color combinations. If you like more ideas specific decorating tips, please visit my channel and don't forget to subscribe my channel. These cake designs bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. These cake designs are very unique. If you like any designs and if you know my channel, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And please make sure press the bell icon if you don't miss any other amazing video like this one. You can use each theme perfect for birthday celebrations, baby showers, bridal showers. Consider these themed decor matching the occasions. I hope you like this decoration with themed and color combinations. Whether simple or beautiful cake showcase love and celebrations. I am sure cake decoration ideas from this video. If you like any designs and take a screenshot of it, and also to try my amazing cake recipes. They are so easy to make and absolutely delicious. All the designs are very unique and beautiful. If you are creative, then you use different ideas for cake decorating. Thank you so much guys to watching, to like and share my video. If you want to see more make party decoration ideas, cake decoration ideas, please visit my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much everyone. See you tomorrow with a new video. Until take care yourself and people around you. Allah Hafiz.